Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Exuberant Consulting's video series on SAP S4 HANA. Today we are going to take a look at how to create a GL account in an S4 HANA system. Before that, I would like you to take a look at the SAP help on this subject and about the topic of Universal Journal. There have been substantial changes in HANA in the way data is stored in tables, and one of these changes is that we now have a table called SCDOCA or Universal Journal that not only stores information relating to accounting but also pertaining to CO, COPA, asset accounting, and material ledger. I have pasted the link below in this video, and I will just quickly show you the SAP help on this topic. So here you can see that this Isidoka journal now has all the elements from GL, COPA, Material Ledger, Asset Accounting, and CO. That means it is no longer necessary to reconcile CO with GL, A with GL, COPA or Material Ledger with GL. They are automatically balanced by design. So now let us take a look at how to create the GL account in to launch a Fiori system from the SAP GUI, you can use the transaction code /UI2/FLP. I have stored this in my favorites and I'll be launching the Fiori Launchpad from this transaction. So this opens up the Fiori screen and I can log into it using my same SAP GUI ID and password. And once I'm logged in, it will show me a lot of tiles. So these tiles are nothing but individual transactions that we have in SAP, and this layout can be customized per user. So these are generally grouped according to the area. So for example, if you click on periodic activities for asset accounting, you can see that all the activities pertaining to asset accounting are available here. So like example, execute, undo, year-end closing, and so on. So now what we are going to do is we are going to type in that search box above the transaction that we are going to use, which is or the Fury app that we are going to use, which is manage GL accounts. So if I type the first few characters, it will show me the app, and you can access it by clicking on it. So click on the app and then it will show you the next screen where it will show you the selection screen. And basically what I'm going to do here is, now the beauty of Fiori is that you can do a lot of things from the same screen, unlike the old SAP where you have 01, 02, 03. So now in the first step, I'm going to display the GL account. So this GL account type field is a new field, and you can see four values: balance sheet and non-operating expense or income. These two do not create a cost element, whereas the last two, that is the primary costs or revenue and secondary costs, these do in fact create a cost element. So here we see the merger of the FI and CO. So right now I'm going to select primary costs or revenue, and let us take a look at what accounts are available. So here I can see all the primary costs or revenue which are already created. So let us create one which is similar to what we have here. So let's say I select office expenses as an example, and using office expenses I will create one more GL account, which is like, okay, miscellaneous expenses or something like that. So this being just a demo, we are not really worried. So you to create a new GL account, click on that plus icon there and enter the account number. So this is already an existing 100. So I put 101, which is a new number and which we are going to create now. So put the chart of accounts as int, and primary costs or revenue that we saw already. And then in the next step, we have to put the account account group, and account group is what we had earlier. So this being a P&L, we now this is unfortunately hidden by the logo, but we have put the expense account group, which determines the number range. So this number range, yeah. So now you can see it says PL is the account group, and then you have to put the checkbox for the P&L statement. So if you scroll below, it gives you the language, and we have selected English language, which is okay. Then going to the next thing which is the company code data, and here we want to create this GL account for a particular company code. So you can create it for one or multiple company codes at a time, and the same thing, you have to click on the plus button there. So click on the plus button, and we will assign it to our company code in our system, which is 9090. So yeah, the account currency is taken here by default, and then the tax category and all. So these screens are quite similar to our SAP screens what we are used to, but they are arranged in a different way. So we kind of select the similar things that we do in SAP. Now if you select the field status group here, I'm selecting cost accounts here because this is in fact a cost account. And then you have this post automatically only or supplement auto postings. So post automatically only can be used where you don't want external postings to happen, like OBYC accounts, or where you want only the system to post the account, not manually. So this is not that kind of account, so we leave it blank. And then we are now ready to save this account. Okay, one more thing is that now since this is a primary cost or revenue type of account, it brings you to another screen where you need to enter the controlling area details, and the controlling area here is 9090, and you need to enter the type of cost element category, so which is the same as ECC, but here it again appears in this screen. So we enter it as 01, which is the primary cost element, and now we click on save, and your GL account is created. So it's very similar to what you used to do earlier, but a little bit different because both the screens are combined, and this is how you can create a GL account. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Do subscribe to our channel and let us know